Hey, there! Have you ever noticed how yawning seems to spread like wildfire? You see someone yawn, you yawn, then someone seeing you yawn. Yawns. Well, it turns out there's a name for this: contagious yawning. Scientists aren't exactly sure why yawns are contagious, but a popular theory is that it's linked to empathy and social bonding. We tend to catch yawns more often from people we're close to, like family and friends, than from strangers. It's like a subconscious form of communication, reminding us we're part of a group. But wait, it's not just a human thing. Even animals like chimps and dogs have been observed catching yawns. So next time you're stuck in a yawning chain reaction, remember, it's not just because you're tired. It's empathy in action. Stay tuned for more fascinating everyday science.